The race to succeed Mario Draghi at the European Central Bank is more open than previously thought. Reports that Germany won't push for Jens Weidmann to become the next ECB president have cast doubt over the role, and the central bank's next big appointment could cast a long shadow on who will get the top job. Applications to replace France's Danielle Nui as head of banking supervision closed today. Frontrunners include Sabine Lautenschläger of Germany and Ireland's Sharon Donnery. It's the most powerful role where candidates are selected by the ECB itself, but whichever country takes over Nui is probably out of the running to replace Draghi. Let's get the latest with Nick Comfort, our financial supervision reporter in Frankfurt. Nick, great to have you with us again. Just run us through the candidates and who could be most likely to get this position.
Well, you mentioned two in the run-in there, Sharon Donnery from Ireland, a deputy central bank governor, is a name you always hear. She's built her kudos. She's developed also in terms of the non-performing loan problem in Europe. She's been a big name on that front. Then you have Sabine Lautenschläger, who, yes, she would be the obvious choice because she's already Danielle Nui's deputy and she really knows this stuff inside out. She lives for banking supervision, but she's already on a high position in the ECB, and it kind of rules her out unless she resigns from that position, which she hasn't done so far. So I would be doubtful about Sabine Lautenschläger. Other names you hear are Elisa Ferreira from Portugal. She's a high-profile former politician, less experienced as a supervisor, but has those political skills going for her. And then you have three Italian men who are mostly exceedingly competent, well-respected, but they are male, and that's a big problem for if you really want to be closing in on the job.
Yeah, Nick, how important is diversity actually going to be in this selection process?
It could be the trump card. I mean, it's you got to be competent, you've got to have political backing, but the ECB does have a broader problem with gender diversity in its top ranks, and this is a job where the ECB gets to pick the candidates, and so they will probably be wanting to send a signal and will be favoring female candidates certainly for this top job.